So guys, do you want to see yourself in your PowerPoints like exactly this way? It's very interesting and very new feature in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let me show you how you can do that. You have to click on Cameo and you see this little camera is there in your computer. You can pull it anywhere in your screen, like for example here, and then you can present it. So if I pull the presentation, I'll be able to see my camera, which means that my audience is able to see me and my presentation simultaneously. This way I can showcase myself where exactly I want to showcase myself on the PowerPoint and also in different shapes and forms. For example, I can simply click on it and I can enlarge this. I can even make a different format of this. And if I want to make a different design, I can select different designs of formatting here as well. If I open the designer here, you will see that I'll get a chance to make it like this, and like this as well in the layout, or maybe like this. So I will pull in the way I want it, exactly where I want it. So for example, if I want to showcase it on the bottom of my slides, and then I can even choose which slides. I just have to copy paste it on the slides where I want to present it. And even in some cases, maybe I would like to have it somewhere at a different place. So here I would like to see myself here. And then in this one, maybe here. So this way, I'm going to easily place myself exactly where I want, and every slide will have a different location, as you can see here, and also a different tabular view that I can show my audience, having me at different places in the PowerPoint. Very simple. I'm going to repeat how you can include yourself there. Simply go to Insert in the on the ribbon, in the insert at the very end, there is camera, and on the camera you will find Cameo. Simply click on it, and you will have your Cameo there. And you see, I've added two. For example, in this case, modules as well, and you can see me twice over there. So on and so forth. I believe it's very interesting. I would recommend you to practice it, try it, because for the people who are presenting, like teachers, like instructors, even in some cases where you have great presentations to showcase, and sorry, you want to showcase yourself as well in between, because it's important to show your emotions, your energy, and your body language. In those cases, this is definitely a plus for you. So I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to speak to you again and see you again. Till then, ta-da.